Hi guys, and welcome along to this video series on MYSTERIA. Now this is an amazing vocal based instrument which is perfect for scoring, working to picture and also adding that human emotion to your music. Now in this video we're going to start out with an introduction to the plugin and just talk about the interface, and we're also going to right now look at how we can load it in. Now MYSTERIA works as a Kontakt instrument, so we double click and it'll load it up into Kontakt for us to work with. Okay, so what's the vision behind MYSTERIA? Well, as I said, it's a vocal-based instrument with an amazing kind of textual sound to it. Producers of the instrument have recorded a huge library of choirs that are specifically designed to convey the full spectrum of human emotion. So whatever it is you're trying to convey with your music, you'll find a vocal texture that will fit. Now within this plugin, we're going to combine recorded sound with advanced sound design, alongside some really flexible modulation and a bank of effects as well. So we have great source sounds to work with, but also the flexibility to tweak those sounds as we see fit. And what's always great within a plugin design is that we can quickly dial in sounds and change them up using the XY pad here, but also under the bonnet we have lots of flexibility to be able to manipulate our sounds further. So if you just want to get a quick vibe together, the plugin will allow you to do that, but also for those that like to tweak and really customize sounds, you've got the ability to do that too. Okay, so as I said in this first video, we're going to have a look at the interface, so from the offset we understand where everything is located. Okay, so to start with, when we first open the plugin, we're met with the main interface, which is this window here with the two masks on it. Now first of all, within this window we have our preset list here, so we can click to access presets. You can see here, or alternatively we can go through using our arrows here. And you can hear the XY is going to change up the sound in different ways depending on the preset. Now, the presets within MYSTERIA are made up of two different sound sources or two different layers. To the left of this window we have the controls, and they can be accessed from here. So we can click and choose the layers that we're going to use for our A and B sections. Now as we know, we have the XY axis here. Now if we move along the X axis, what we're essentially doing is mixing or blending between the two layers, and you can see this kind of little slider here changing as we go between the two. So let's have a little listen to that. Now as we move on a Y-axis, we have the ability to change the intensity of the sound. So we could have layer A full intensity, layer B full intensity, or we can blend between the two at varying degrees of intensity. Which is obviously great for build-ups and crescendos. But we're going to come back to look at this in more detail as the video series progresses. So if we move to the next tab here, now this is called the source page, and this is where we can edit the core parameters of MYSTERIA. So again we have layer A and layer B on the left and the right respectively. So this is where we can really go in and tweak the sound as we see fit. Okay, so the next page along here is our effects page, and this is where we can add effects to the sound. We've got a lot of flexibility of what we can do here. Okay, and then finally we have our master page here. Now this is where we can add effects to the actual master sound, the mixed sound, the output essentially. We also have some controls that relate to our XY pad here as well. And that is our interface. In the next video, we're going to dive in and have a look at our main interface in more detail. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.